So first of all, big congratulations.
Thank you.
Get a huge response from the audiences.
Thank you. Yeah.
First of all, we'd like to know how tough it was to portray Morty on the screen, and also the 9 different look of yours.
Yeah, it was a big challenge. It was an amazing experience as an actor, and all thanks to Sandeep Singh for offering me this role. You barely get as an actor the chance to play a legendary character like Pradhan Mantri Modi ji, and I tried my level best as an actor. We had a good team. 9 look create करने में बहुत मेहनत लगी. प्रोस्थेटिक्स से लेकर मेकअप डिपार्टमेंट से लेकर हमारे पूरे टीम ने उसमें बहुत एफर्ट किया, एंड आई थिंक लोगों को फिल्म में पसंद आएगा.
How difficult it was to produce a movie like it's a legendary movie? How
I think it was very simple to produce this film, but it has become very difficult to release this film. So I think shooting was very nice. It was the most memorable shoot of my life, but releasing has also become the most memorable part of
saga
my life. Saga actually.
Okay, Vivek sir, apart from the acting, you have also been written the dialogues and screenplay of this movie, and also you have sang or rapped in the movie. So which part you have enjoyed the most?
ऐसी मैंने
कोई याद है आपको, क्योंकि हर पार्ट में आप
मैंने को राइट किया है. अनिरुद्ध और हर्ष ने मेरे साथ में बहुत मेहनत की. आई थिंक मैक्सिमम क्रेडिट गोज टू माय राइटर्स. They have worked day and night and given a lot of commitment. I was just there, little bit support मैंने किया. And Sandeep also.
कभी-कभी क्या होता है, sometime what happens, we give credit and we become very modest because we are very particular about that I am an actor. But I will say that if Vivek was not there as a writer in this film, which he never asked me, I don't think till the trailer release he knew that he's getting the credit in screenplay and dialogue. So honestly, the writers came up to me and they told me, please, it's a request, give his name because he has contributed equally. Because what knowledge he comes from, we don't have that knowledge of either filmmaking, either of politics, or neither of the man. In spite doing so much of research, what he used to get it, not in terms of research, yes, research they did it, but the way we have to show it to the audience, what kind of dialogues will be there, how the screenplay should be told, everything he used to sit and narrate after the film, before the film, on location, so many times to various people. And what the best part about him is that he is not an overconfident person. He doesn't say, this is final, do it. What he says, if he doesn't get my time or Umang's time or the writer's time, he starts narrating it to his makeup person. He starts narrating it to the assistant. Then he says, no, does it sound properly? So that is what I like. There is no ego. This is the final thing. I have done so many films. I have been in the industry for last 19 years. So you all don't have to say. He used to take contribution from even the small people. And that is what even I learned from there. Because before this film, I should not take contribution. I say we have to make the film and we have to show it. Later what happens. But in this film, I think I learned this from you. Ki we have to take contribution from the beginning and then present it to the audience. So it was the reverse psychology which he played with us.
Okay, yes, sir. Have you got any feedback from Modi ji while filming or after the completion of the film?
हाँ, अभी फोन आया था.
That's between him and us.
Okay, the Modi movie has now become a propaganda movie. What's your thought?
It has become a propaganda film?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So let me correct you.
So because people are saying that.
अच्छा.
So what's your thought on that?
यार कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. हम अपनी फिल्म बना रहे हैं. We've made a film with honesty, and Sandeep has produced many amazing movies before PM Narendra Modi. He has a very credible body of work at a very young age. It's unfair to just say ये propaganda film है. दिल से बनाइए यार. झूठ बोल रहे हैं लोग.
So it's not only propaganda. Let me put more things to that. They have said that this film is funded by BJP, which is not. we belong to BJP, which is not. He belongs to BJP, which is not. Because I've seen him in films, I think, before this. So I don't know from where he belongs to BJP. We are laughing, but when this acquisitions used to come to us, we were shocked ki, matlab now what will happen to a film, whether it will release or not. Then all the producers belong to BJP. What all has come? And so all this has been proved. And all this, I think, we have been given justice by all the courts, whether it was Bombay High Court, whether it was Delhi, whether it was Supreme Court. And by door to door, they have gone and appealed that this film should be banned and it should not be released or it should get postponed. And door to door, we have gone, ki, please let this film release. It should not be banned and it should not be postponed.
I know, yeah.
So,
okay,
difficult tire.
Initially, this movie was to release on 5th April. Now it's releasing on 11th April. Was any particular reason?
हाँ, यही सब चक्कर काट रहे थे हम. कभी मंदिर, कभी मस्जिद, कभी गुरुद्वारे के चक्कर और कभी कोर्टों के चक्कर काट रहे थे. बट फाइनली आई थिंक 11th अप्रैल को जो हो रहा है, अच्छा हो रहा है. देयर इज ऑलवेज अ डिवाइन ब्लेसिंग. अगर आपके साथ सच्चाई है तो सब अच्छा ही होगा. So we're excited about 11th April, यार. Lot of people are going to come and celebrate this film with us.
Okay, sir. आपको शायद तो पता होगा कल नरेंद्र मोदी जी भी आ रहे हैं मुंबई. So are you planning to keep any special screening for him? Because हमने जब भी देखा कोई बायोपिक या ऐसी मूवी बनती है, स्पेशल स्क्रीनिंग जरूर होती है.
जी.
So
should I answer this or you will say?
आप आंसर कर दीजिए.
So we came to know now that PM Saab is coming to Mumbai. We never knew this, honestly. So I think you should invite him because we are inviting you all to watch the film tomorrow. And second, we'll be really honored if he watches our film and if we get any compliment from him, we'll be really honored. But I think as a PM of this country, 2 hours to watch a film, I think he's a man who keeps working. People say when he sleeps and when he gets up. So I think he has a lot of other work for the country. In 2 hours, he can do anything. So, and that he's proved in last 5 years. So I think he'll do better work than watching a film. But we'll be honored if he watches our film and calls us, or even if we get a compliment from him.
Okay, Vivek sir, last 2 questions. आपको बहुत ही प्यार मिला है बॉलीवुड में. Now in South also, the Lucifer is getting a huge response. It's inched to 100 crores. So how you feel or how difference what to work in Bollywood and Tollywood?
यार बहुत खुशी होती है. चाहे कोई भी भाषा में आपकी फिल्म जब इतना अच्छा करे and people are giving you so much love and respect for your performance, it's lovely. Mohanlal ji is a legend. Working with Lalaten after 16-17 years since Company was an amazing experience. Prithvi Raj was fabulous as an actor and now as a director. Manju Warrier, again another legend. They have so many national awards between them that I don't have that many numbers in my phone. So they've done really well. And it was a pleasure working with them and experience to remember and cherish.
Okay sir, जैसे कि आप पता ही होगा, you have immense number of followers और you are always there for any social cause. Is there any planning of yours to join political in future?
I actually retired from politics. So normally people
Because
go from
the actors are turning into politics.
right. तो लोग अभिनेता से नेता बनते हैं. मैं तो नेता से अभिनेता बना. I was a general secretary of Mumbai University. So ये सब बचपन में कर लिया. Now I'm enjoying acting and I also say ना कि MP बनने का क्या फ़ायदा जब आप PM बन सकते हैं.
Okay, lastly 11th April को रिलीज होने जाए. So what do you like to say to your fans and audiences?
बस ये आइए, फिल्म देखिए 11th अप्रैल को. बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बनाई है. यू सर्टिफिकेट की फिल्म है. पूरी फैमिली आके देख सकती है. इट्स अ फिल्म अबाउट अ पेट्रियट फॉर एवरी सिंगल पेट्रियट. आओ अपने बच्चों को लेके आओ और देशभक्ति की एक फिल्म दिखाओ यार.
Please watch our film PM Narendra Modi on 11th of April, and it's a film which will inspire you to do something for your country.
Thank you, the best of performance.
थैंक यू. तीसरा तो कोई नहीं चेप रहे हो ना इसी में सेटअप में.
हाँ
बिल्कुल
ready.
So first of all, big congratulations.
Thank you.
Get a huge response from the audiences.
Thank you. Yeah.
First of all, we'd like to know how tough it was to portray Mortegi on the screen, and also the 9 different look of yours.
Yeah, it was a big challenge. It was an amazing experience as an actor, and all thanks to Sandeep Singh for offering me this role. You barely get as an actor the chance to play a legendary character like Pradhan Mantri Modi ji, and I tried my level best as an actor. We had a good team. 9 look create करने में बहुत मेहनत लगी. प्रोस्थेटिक्स से लेकर मेकअप डिपार्टमेंट से लेकर हमारे पूरे टीम ने उसमें बहुत एफर्ट किया, एंड आई थिंक लोगों को फिल्म में पसंद आएगा.
How difficult it was to produce a movie like it's a legendary movie? How
I think it was very simple to produce this film, but it has become very difficult to release this film.